Marlowe Run is a client application that runs in the browser for deploying and using Marlowe contracts on Cardano. Marlowe is a special-purpose, domain-specific language for writing financial contracts. You can see I have two instances of Marlowe Run. On the left, I have the mobile version with Juan wallet, which has no ADA. And on the right, I have the desktop version with Pablo's wallet, which has almost 1000 test ADA. Let's create a contract. For the moment, Marlowe Run only supports 3 types of contracts, but eventually it will support any Marlowe contract. Let's, for this demo, imagine that Juan sells a bike to Pablo. The buyer would be Pablo, and the seller would be Juan. The mediator ideally should be someone else, but let's say it's Pablo for this demo. Let's say the bike costs 100 ADA. We can review the terms and we can see that the amount of ADA to pay is 8.2. After a moment, we can see that the contract has been initialized, and we can see that the contract has appeared in Juan's wallet. But it doesn't have a name because we haven't given one yet. The first action is for Pablo to deposit the 100 ADA for the bike. So let's do that. We can see Pablo needs to pay 100 ADA plus a few fees. And after a small while, we can see that now we get a choice. Pablo needs to confirm whether he has received the bike. So he can either report a problem and then there will be an arbitration process, or he can confirm that everything is all right and then the money will be transferred to Juan. We can also open the contract to see the details. For example, here in the balances, we can see that there is 100 ADA in the contract assigned to the seller. So let's say everything is all right. The contract has now finished and we can see the resulting contract in the contract history here. And we can see all the steps and the balances throughout the contract. There are many more functionalities in Marlowe Run, but let's leave it here for this demo.